Don't forget to like up the video, share the videos, and watch the videos to the end. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm gonna make some smoothie. Yeah man, some immune system builder. Yeah. So yeah, down here I've got my ingredients. I got some strawberries. Yeah, I've got some raspberries and more strawberries. Blueberries. Yep. And I've got some ripe banana over here. Plus I've got some red grapes and my delicious almond milk. Yeah man. And I've got some kiwis as well. So yeah, I'm gonna blend up some immune system builder, guys. So stay tuned and watch the process. Yeah man. Soon come. Yeah guys, I'm gonna start the blending process now. So I'm gonna get all my fruits and stuff in my blender now. So yeah man, stay tuned and watch my boy. So I'm gonna get the right banana. Okay. I already rinsed off my blueberries, guys, so I'm gonna just dip them in there as well. Raspberry, rinse them off as well. And over here, got some strawberry and grape. But before that, let me just pour some almond milk in here, like so. And get this right. That's it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna make some noise now. Gonna get my thing blender. So stay tuned. Yes, soon come. Okay, dokie. That is that. Alright. Yeah man. The real thing is, guys. Yeah man. So right about now, I'm gonna pour some. Oh yoy! And I'm gonna enjoy some. So pour it. Okay. This is mine, I'm gonna stop to mine. Yeah man. This is it guys, I got 2 glasses of smoothie. And there's some left back in the blender. Oh! Yeah man, I'm gonna finish up that man, I'm gonna finish up that with my bit. Yeah man, immune system builder guys. Yeah man, you can give this a try. Ah, tastes good. It's all natural juice, natural smoothie, yeah? No sugar, no honey, no nothing. Just the natural fruits and, yeah? Yeah man. Ah. The almond milk, oh, just right. Just right. Yeah man. The ripe banana don't overpower the drink, the smoothie. Just give it a good vibe. Yeah man. Yeah man. Cheers guys. Lovely. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Right about now I'm feeling hungry guys, so I'm doing some vegetable rolls and some chips in my air fryer. Yeah, because I feel a bit peckish, I feel a bit hungry, so I'm gonna check on my vegetable rolls and chips, and I've got some strip, yeah, that's the breast part of the chicken in there as well, so I'm gonna check on it, yeah, so stay tuned, soon come. Hey guys, so what's going on? Come on, this is my chicken strip, hot and spicy chicken strip, and these are my spring rolls, yeah, I found spring rolls in there as well. This is one of them. Why are you? So yeah, this is my chips and onion rings. Come on. But stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys. Come on. The immune system builder is something, man. So delicious. So yeah, guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Them on around here in the kitchen today, yeah. So don't forget to like up the video, share the videos, and watch the videos to the end. Yeah, man. That is it. Yeah. So anyhow, guys, we have made it to the end of another video. Hope you enjoyed and stay tuned. Catch you in another one. I'm out.